Okhulumela I-SIU uKaizer Kganyago uchaze kabanzi ngalokhu kugasela kwabo.
We are here because we were unable to get the documentation from this municipality. As you might know, this municipality is one of those that are under administration. And the administrator was not able to even arrive here because I'm told that there are bouncers that are placed here that were blocking everyone from getting in here.
Kganyago uthi bawucela kahle lo masipala ukuthi ulethe imqulu kuzophenywa kodwa awangafuna ukuzwa.
The law allows us to come and get the information if they don't want to give it to us willingly. We start by asking them nicely and saving them with the 52A or B or C. And then once we have done so and they don't cooperate, we then come and do what we are supposed to do.
Uthi baxakekile uma bethi bayafika la kulo masipala bathola ukuthi itshe lome inhlama.
We have arrived here and there is no one. And that is a clear sign of the kind of service delivery that you would find in a municipality like that. How do they serve the people if they are not at work at the time that they are supposed to be at work? Something is not right with this.
Kganyago utshela umsakazo lomphakathi ukuthi bazobalinda abantu abasebenza lapha baze bafike.
We will secure the place and then we will have to find the people that are supposed to come here and open, because this is a building of the municipality. It belongs to government. It doesn't belong to individuals. If the court has given us permission to come and search for information, somebody must come and open for us so that we can do that. We will live here with the information that we want to live here with.
Okunye okuphenywa i-SIU kulomasipala ukukhishwa kwamathenda izimpahla zokuvikela ukutheleleka ngegciwane icorona. NginguKalvin Dludla wezindaba ze-SABC.